we have to solve this integration question. In this integration, put log x equals to t. Put log x equals to t. Differentiate both the side. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx equals to differentiation of t is dt. Integration, in place of dx by x, put dt. dt upon under root, in place of log x, put t. Here it is square, so put square. Minus, here it is 5, write 5 as root 5 whole square. Now this integration is in standard form. We can apply this formula here. So apply this formula here. Log mod, here we will write t, plus under root, here in place of x square we will write t square, minus in place of a square we will write root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square. Mod plus c. Log, in place of t write log x. Mod log x plus under root log x whole square minus root 5 whole square plus c. This is our answer.